In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Xero with your accountant. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or just getting your finances in order, using Xero to collaborate with your accountant can streamline your accounting process, making it more efficient and ensuring that your financial records are always up to date. Let's get started. First up, navigate to the Xero homepage. You can do this by typing Xero into your favorite search engine or entering the URL directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options and resources available to you. But our main focus today is to share your Xero account with your accountant, so we'll bypass these for now. The next step is to log into your account. You'll find the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. It's hard to miss. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials, that is your email address and the password you've created for your Xero account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's a link to reset it so you won't be locked out of your account. Once your credentials are entered correctly, click on Login to access your Xero dashboard. This is the heart of your Xero experience, where you can view a snapshot of your financial health, access tools, and crucially for today's tutorial, add users to your account. Inside your dashboard, look for an option either labeled as your organization or something very similar, depending on how you've personalized your Xero setup. This link will take you to the settings and configurations specific to your organization, which is where you need to be to invite your accountant to access your account. The link to your organization might be an abbreviation of your company's name or something similar. Click on it. Once you've navigated to your organization settings page, find and click on the settings option. This might be represented by a gear icon or simply labeled as settings. This area of Xero allows you to customize and manage various aspects of your account, but for today we're zeroing in on user management. Within the settings menu, look for the users option. This is where Xero allows you to manage who has access to your Xero organization. Clicking on users will show you a list of current users and give you the option to invite more. To add your accountant, find and click on the Invite a User button. This will open up a new page where you can input the details of your accountant and set their permission levels. It's an important step because Xero offers flexible permissions to accommodate different roles, from read-only access to full administrative rights. Think carefully about what level of access you want your accountant to have. In the Invite a User page, you'll be prompted to enter the personal details of your accountant. This usually includes their name and email address. Ensure you have their correct email address because that's where Xero will send their invitation to join your organization. After filling out the personal details, it's time to define your accountant's role within your Xero account. For most accountants, you'll want to grant them access to the business and accounting section. This gives them the tools and information they need to work on your finances without overwhelming them with unnecessary access to other areas of your business. Finally, once you've entered all the necessary information and selected the appropriate permissions, click on Send Invite. Xero will then email an invitation to your accountant. They'll need to follow the instructions within this email to accept your invitation and set up their access to your Xero organization. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Xero account with your accountant. This will allow them to log in, view your financial records, perform audits, and offer you the financial advice and services you need, all within the Xero platform. Remember, collaboration and clear communication with your accountant are key to making the most out of this setup. Before we wrap up, a few tips to ensure a smooth collaboration. Always keep your financial records up to date in Xero, regularly communicate with your accountant, especially if you have any questions or concerns, and make sure you review and understand the permissions you grant to users in your Xero account. Thanks for watching. I hope this video makes it easier for you to collaborate with your accountant using Xero. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.